This bathroom looks pretty clean.
But you see this pink stuff over here?
It can kill you.
It has a name, Serratia marcescens, and it is very serious.
Anyway, my girlfriend, an ex-microbiologist, just moved in.
Aww.
Please just clean the bathroom.
She hates our bathroom because it can kill you.
And we get it, we're embarrassed.
It feels like there's only one way that we can wash off the shame.
We're gonna make the cleanest bathroom to ever exist.
100% germ-free. We're not gonna stop cleaning until you can eat off the floor.
It's the only way.
Shopify, this is the weirdest video you've sponsored. How are we gonna do this, you ask? With science.
Science rules.
The plan is very simple, and we'll explain that shortly.
But first, we need to give you a tour, and it's not gonna be pretty.
There are 5 main targets for sterilization.
The hairy toilet.
This is just a bit embarrassing.
Ugh. Yeah.
The shower head of dread.
The terror tile.
It's crispy.
The stink sink. Oh, it comes off. Oh.
And of course, the thing that started this all, the death drain.
We're gonna feed this potentially dangerous bacteria with nutrient-rich agar.
We'll leave it for 3 days, and if bacteria grows on the dish, we clean again.
We are going to keep on cleaning until we get to the holy grail. Clear agar. Once we achieve that goal, that's when we'll fall to our knees and eat. Pause.
What could go wrong? Everything. Everything gets gross and wrong.
But that's just foreshadowing.
The most important thing we need right now is one of these, an incubator.
What?
Maybe we can make one instead.
DIY.
Using a cooler, a reptile mat, and some tinfoil tape.
100% janky.
An incubator keeps germs at the perfect temperature to grow.
It does smell. It does smell. Okay, you carry them over to the desk.
Huh? If you're watching this with your dinner, it's time to look away.
Brother, what is that?
The smell of these dishes filled the room. And we didn't know it yet, but we had already begun making some dangerous mistakes.
No.
We were grossly underprepared for this task.
Please don't judge us on what you're about to see. How many times do you think we've cleaned the bathroom?
Oh, this is so, properly.
Yes. In 4 years. How many times?
No, don't say it.
How many times?
Under 5.
Before we started, we asked Angel for some advice.
Just alcohol, bleach. I would say chemicals is the best method.
But that wasn't an option because
I've got sensitive skin.
Oh, sensitive skin.
so we're gonna see how far we can get with the natural method.
It's amazing how many things in the kitchen can be used for cleaning, like lemon, vodka,
Vinegar.
garlic.
Wait, what? We started off strong. Just 2 buddies cleaning.
After the first wave of cleaning, it was time for the first hack.
You have to wait an hour to see the results.
3 hours later.
Surely you can smell that.
Oh!
It's like rotten eggs. Are you okay? Oh no. Sorry.
It's okay. I didn't do it on purpose. I got fart juice in my face and the place was stinking. But luckily, we had the vodka. Mix in a little bit of cream and a hint of subscribe. Just like that. Vodka mixed with water gets rid of odors.
Apparently.
Apparently.
Salt is an abrasive, and to kill that bacteria, can you tell what we're making yet?
What percentage cleaner do you think you are than me?
At least a 30% gap.
30%!
I don't wear my outside clothes on my bed.
Why, that's just crazy to me. You can't protect yourself. Oh my god! Oh!
Don't. Oh!
We called this the brown.
Okay, that's enough. Oh my god.
We're gonna have to sample this too, with urgency.
And clean it even more urgently.
I take my coat off. My trousers? To lay on my bed? Not for me.
Whose side are you on?
I guess we're just different in that way. Yeah.
Salty like a sea. Here's our verdict on the natural hacks. This clean took 8 hours.
Do you see the ends of my finger? Look, my fingers are bruised.
We're gonna incubate these results and compare them to the original bathroom. We thought we were doing a good job at this point,
Perfect science, perfect cleaning. We were confident.
but that confidence shattered very quickly. All of the plates were far from germ-free.
In fact, all of the plates from after the clean looked worse than the before. How is that even possible? And what did we do wrong?
This had us questioning whether we could even make this into a video at all.
And then we looked at the death drain with Angel.
Is that the orange stuff? It looks like that thing that we thought it was.
The one that can kill you.
I think it's that one.
Angel was convinced, but we weren't actually sure it was Marcessans anymore.
This is the brown before the clean, and this is the brown after the clean. The way things are looking, clear agar is a very distant dream.
There is a lump in my throat.
I don't think it's possible at all.
What, to make it sterile?
Yeah, I don't even know how close we can actually come with agar. We were about to call it quits on this whole video. Then Angel gave us a reality check.
You're wearing gloves when you do this. You're not doing this like bare hand, are you?
No.
You're not wearing gloves.
Well, last time I wasn't wearing gloves.
You used to be wearing gloves.
I can't believe I live
Actually,
here.
no. I was wearing gloves.
Okay, good.
I wasn't wearing gloves.
Messing about with my old job, raw dogging it. Be like, hey, give me a kiss, give me a hug. Spreading the bacteria.
Maybe this video idea is dumb. That thought had us feeling quite small. Why is the payoff eating off of the floor? Do you even want to see us eating off of the floor? I don't want to eat off of the floor. We've taken a small amount of dangerous, potentially harmful bacteria, put it in nutrient-dense agar plates and multiplied that. So we are putting ourselves in a very dangerous position. They usually do this with like ventilation, behind screens, and yeah.
We'd put ourselves and everybody in our house at risk. This is where we should have quit.
But we found a glimmer of hope in the microverse. If we can confirm that we haven't actually been spreading Serratia marcescens around the house, maybe our partners can forgive us.
And this is where we made our best discovery so far. We found someone who captures images like this. He seemed to be able to identify bacteria with some special microscope. His name was Walt, from down under.
He has a cool page called 1min Micro. We asked him what microscope to get, and he told us. Look at the hairs.
With this, we should be able to locate any Serratia marcescens.
Are you crying?
No. It's my ointment.
After we saw the wonders of the microverse, we got a bit carried away.
How would you feel about putting a beard hair under there?
Man, you ripped it out.
Is my plantain okay?
Oh, there's your spores though.
Nothing was safe from the swab. My phone had some germs. Everyone's does. But Cullen's mouth? It didn't have many microbes. Is that normal?
Then we found something that really didn't make sense.
So we were careful when we hit it with the swab. Oh, it's just Shopify. If you've never heard about Shopify or seen this logo, then it's time for you to take a closer look. Shopify is a commerce platform that gives power to entrepreneurs. Millions of people use it. Millions and millions.
Oh, what's that?
One of our dreams has always been to start a business and sell a product. This is our shared journal. Don't look too closely, we have secrets. Ever since 2022, we had that goal to sell a product and it just hasn't happened yet. But this year, we're gonna make it happen. And it'll be in our next YouTube video. So please watch out for that and support us because we're scared. Guys, we're stepping into the unknown. But one thing we do know is we're using Shopify. Look at that drag and drop store editor. It's so easy to use. Plus, you can sell online, in person, and on all social media platforms. That is OP. If like us, you're sitting on an idea to build a business or sell a product, Shopify is the place to bring that idea to life. And you can get a free trial. Use the QR code and our link on screen. Shopify.com/bricksanddisorder. Thank you Shopify for being our first ever sponsor. We love you. But we didn't love this.
Something's happening.
What we found under the microscope made our skin crawl.
Oh. We tested 5 of our sterile targets and then the death drain, and we got really confused. They all kind of looked the same, so we called Walt for some answers.
And he gave us 2. Apparently, we made another boo-boo. Mamma mia. The first answer was hard to stomach. You see, bacteria has a lot of similarities to pasta. Hold on now, let us cook.
They come in so many different shapes and sizes.
Blobby, bendy, straight, and many more.
Just friends. And it's so hard to tell bacteria apart just by looking under the microscope, because good and bad germs can have similar shapes.
So basically, what we're trying to say, we bought this microscope for nothing.
We didn't spot Serratia marcescens, but we found somebody who can. We're sending these off to the lab, and in 1 week we'll have the results. The second answer Walt gave us saved this video.
He opened our minds to aseptic techniques.
With that, we might be able to get this bathroom germ-free.
Here's the plan. We're gonna turn that into a complete clean room. We found the best antiseptic techniques, all the different ways to get rid of these germs to a cellular level. These techniques are no joke, and we'll explain why very shortly.
What do you think I am?
At this point, 1 sterile agar plate would be a victory, and we're gonna do everything we can to make that happen.
This is our only working bathroom, and right now it's off limits. Today I heard Cullen pee in a bucket.
There are 3 stages to making a clean room. The first is the walls. The floors, the ceilings, all the surfaces need to be something that bacteria don't like sticking to. We've used vinyl.
The second is the air. We've got this HEPA filter, and that takes away all the dust spores and anything that's floating in the air that we don't really want to contaminate our sample.
Good enough for me.
The last thing is us. So our bodies naturally have lots of germs and bacteria on them. There's nothing we can do about that other than cover every surface of ourselves up. And we're making sure to kill all the bacteria that is on us along the way.
We invested in special cloths and cleaning agents that are made for clean rooms. But even this wasn't enough. Aseptic techniques are kind of scary.
We would double glove, and anytime we got dirt on the first valve, there was a method that we used where we would take off the valve without dirtying the ones underneath, which meant that we could continue with our work.
This just scratches the surface of aseptic techniques. There are so many practices and routines to keep an environment germ-free. We can't do them all, but we're gonna try our best. We're nearly at the finish line, guys.
So close.
This bathroom is gonna be sterile. Let's hope I don't eat my words or eat that pasta.
Oh my god, that looks shiny.
So
Look at that, look at that.
Sterile water to wash the soap away. Don't forget the food-safe wipes. We cleaned that bathroom like there was no tomorrow.
I know that this is the cleanest our bathroom has ever been, will ever be.
If these come out clear, then I consider that success. Somebody will say it's not 100% sterile, but it's 100% sterile to me.
It's my opinion. It's our opinions. Science sucks. After this video, we're never doing it again. Who wants another 15k sofa?
This is our last agar plate, so the brown and the death drain are gonna have to share. Whoops.
Oh my god.
This room will never be cleaner than right now, so we can't wait for the lab results.
Let's hope they're good.
Because tonight, we dine.
Do you want to do it?
I want to see you do it first.
I thought it's something we would do together.
You do it first.
First bite, okay.
Yeah.
One of us will, at least. We're about to bet our dignity, pride, and health in the hope that this bathroom is germ-free.
When
right on the death drain.
I'm not gonna play it out for the camera. I'm not actually that nervous.
Like he really wanted to.
In that moment, it immediately hit me what I was doing. There's no dignity at all. And the fact that you're up high as well. Looking down. Alright, your turn.
Oh.
Come on, don't leave me. Don't leave me in the dark, man.
Or leave a friend behind. Once I eat this, it's immortalized.
We can blur it.
Yes.
Cullen finished the pasta off camera. How greedy!
I think there's nothing on the plate. You ready?
Yeah. Okay, damn.
Okay, I'm going to get some gloves.
It is not looking good, bruv.
Still looking pretty dreadful.
We tried our best.
Bruh, do you think this is insane?
Yeah!
100%!
And our best was good enough.
Clear agar.
Yeah.
Yes! That's the icing on the cake. That's the thing we ate off.
100%, man.
100%.
A few days later, we got the lab results. Did we actually have Serratia marcescens, or are we still in the doghouse?
You ready?
Yeah.
You guys can't use this against us, okay? We had some noticeable bacteria.
Is that E. coli?
Oh, it's disgusting.
But the results don't lie.
We did not have marcescens.
We didn't have any of that inside our bathroom.
I think we deserve an apology.
I'm just glad that the bathroom's been clean.
I got feel this time.
I'll happily take my loss.
Please subscribe. We ate off the floor.
Please, please, please.